6. Look after yourself. If you like yourself, then you will automatically take care of yourself. This suggests attempting to remain healthy, get enough sleep, go get massages, escape to a bubble bath, or maybe a ladies' night out. You need to feed your soul in other ways beyond your relationship, otherwise you will not have anything delegated provide. Don't be a people pleaser. Numerous females wrongly believe that if they please other people, then they will instantly love them. This could not be farther from the reality. A lot of individuals will make the most of you if you offer excessive of yourself. Rather, pursue a healthy balance of being selfless and selfish. Relationships are a two-way street. 8. Speak your mind. When I state, speak your mind, I mean doing it gently and calmly. Do not suppress your negative or favorable feelings. Let them out. Speak with your partner about any problems you are having. Try to see yourself as a team and fix the issues together. So, what occurs a great deal of the time is they go into avoidance mode. This does not work. If you avoid issues for years upon years, well, they are going to stack up. 10. Make time for your partner. I understand I said to have your own life and some self-reliance, however on the other side, you can't invest too much time alone, or with other individuals, since then the relationship could die. Relationships need attention. So, make certain you go on regular date nights and have deep conversations to keep your connection strong. Need regard. When I say demand, I do not imply stomping your foot down and requiring in a diva sort of method. What I suggest is that you need to believe that you deserve to be treated with respect at all times. Everyone does. But here is the kicker: in order to get regard, you need to provide regard. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.